Good morning students. Today we'll start with lesson number 17, circle, chord and arc. So first of all we'll study some definitions. What is circle, children? A circle is a set of points equidistant from a fixed point in a plane. What is circle? Circle is a set of points equidistant from a fixed point in a plane. Now see here, this is the fixed point, children, which we call as center. And these are the points which are equidistant from this O. So, this set of points along with the center is called as circle. So, what is circle? A circle is a set of points equidistant from a fixed point in a plane. This fixed point is called as center of circle. For example, center of this circle is O. And the distance between the fixed point and the circle is called as radius of a circle. The fixed distance from the center to the circle is called as radius of a circle. For example, here I can say that OC, OB and OA are the radii of the circle with center O. Which are the radii, children? OC, OA and OB. XY is not a radius because it is not drawn from center of circle, but it is a chord. A segment joining any 2 points on a circle is called as chord. So it is chord. Now see, you will say that AB. AB is the diameter of a circle and it is longest chord of a circle. Diameter is always doubled of radius, children, and radius is always half of diameter. So you have to learn all these definitions. Now what is an arc? An arc is a part of circle. An arc is part of circle. The measure of an arc is equal to the measure of corresponding central angle. Measure of a minor arc is always equal to corresponding central angle. There are two types of arcs, children, major arc and minor arc. And children, there are three types of arcs: major arc, minor arc and semicircular arc. Now, major of a circle is 360 degree, major of semicircle is 180 degree, major of minor arc is always less than 180 degree and major of major arc is more than 180 degree. Now, if you see here, diameter AB divides circle into two parts, then each part is called as semicircular arc. See, semicircle means half of the circle. So this is one part and this is second part. Measure of semicircular arc is 180 degree. Now if you will consider this arc AXD, it is minor arc because its measure is less than 180 degree. And if I will consider AQD, then it is major arc. Its measure will be greater than 180 degree. Here segment OD is a radius of circle, segment AB is a diameter of a circle, segment PQ is chord of a circle, angle DOB is central angle, and we'll study the minor arcs now. Arc AXD, arc DB, arc PQ, arc BQ, arc AP, these are the minor arcs. And now see major arcs, children. PAB is major arc, PDB is major arc, then you can say PDQ is also major arc. Then measure of minor arc DB is equal to central angle BOD. How to find it out? See the endpoints of arc B and D, where it is connected to the center at O. So measure of minor arc BD is equal to measure of an angle BOD. And measure of arc DAB will be 360 minus measure of angle DOB. Now we'll study the next point, first property. Now see what is the first property. The perpendicular drawn from the center of circle to the chord bisect the chord. Practically also you can do this. First draw the circle, then draw one chord draw perpendicular from center of circle to the chord. You will see that chord is divided into two equal parts, means segment AM is congruent to segment MB. If measure of AM is 5, measure of MB will be 5. So AM is equal to MB is equal to half of AB. Remember that AM is half of AB or MB is also half of AB. So what is this property? Perpendicular drawn from center of circle to the chord bisect the chord, means it divides the chord into two equal parts. And second statement is, which is exactly opposite of first statement, the segment joining the center of circle and the midpoint of chord is perpendicular to the chord. Now see, M is the midpoint of chord, then O is the center of circle. Segment joining center and midpoint of chord is perpendicular to the chord, means segment OM is perpendicular to the chord AB. That is angle OMA is equal to angle OMB is equal to 90 degree. Now in next video we will study practice set 17.1.